So hello everyone, this is lesson 2 of physical geography part. So I will discuss all the remaining terms which were left there. So first term is bay or gulf. These are almost similar. First of all, bay or gulf is nothing but that is water bodies surrounded by land. From here, water body which is surrounded by land from the three sides, and one side is open. So these are nothing but bay or gulf. Now what's the difference between bay and gulf is that in bay it is more opening from one side from where water is present, more opening of land present, and in the gulf it is a small opening of land present. Like in the first you can see that it is more opening of water mouth, so it will be called gulf. It is called bay. Let me see. Less opening in gulf, so it will, since here is more opening, so it will be called bay, and here it is small opening, so it will be called gulf. So you can say less opening in gulf, and more opening in bay. More opening in bay, less opening in gulf. So you can see from the world map also, the red mark I had done is nothing but bay. Bay means more opening, gulf means a small opening. So bay means more opening, gulf means a small opening. So gulf means very small opening, bay means somewhat a small opening, bight means very large opening, very large opening. So gulf, bay, bight, in the order you can remember: gulf, bay, bight. Gulf means a small opening, gulf, bay, and bight. Now talking about a strait is nothing but now talking about a strait is nothing but connecting two water body. Like here it is land, water body 1 is connected by water body 2. This path is called a strait. Now isthmus, where water body getting connected is called is strait. Now isthmus is nothing but where water body getting separated, that is from it is land, and this land is connected, so it separates water body 1 and water body 2. So isthmus is nothing but water body getting connected. Isthmus, water body getting connected, and strait means isthmus means water body getting separated, and strait means water body getting connected. So this is the so this is all about all the terms. Now talking about longitudes and latitudes. Suppose any person is standing somewhere on the earth. Now to find the exact location of that person, latitudes and longitudes are required. Like example, in this is the earth, and this the interaction between this parallel means horizontal and vertical line will be the coordinate of that person. So this entire world is divided in the sense it is imaginary line. So entire earth has both horizontal and vertical line, based on which we can find the exact location of a particular part of the world. So this you can see that this is actually how it is means divided. These are all the imaginary line, not really present. So these are vertical line, horizontal. First of all, horizontal line is called latitudes, and vertical line are called longitudes. So latitudes, and from latitude it's coming latitudinal line, it is nothing but horizontal line. Longitudinal line, it is nothing but vertical line. So talking about latitude is nothing but latitude is an angle from the center of the earth in the towards the north or south direction. So we can see from here, this is latitude, these are latitudinal line, and this 0 degree is nothing but equator. So the latitudes above the equator is associated with north, and below the equator is associated with south. This is equator line, this is latitudinal line, and these latitudinal lines are not a straight line. These are like this because earth is spherical in shape. So we can say that from the latitude we got the latitudinal line, and this latitudinal line is nothing but the angle with the center of the earth. This latitude is nothing but center angle from the center of the earth towards north and south direction. Now in both north and south direction we can go only till 90 degree, because after 90 degree it will overlap with already existing line. So in both north and south direction from the equator we can go from 0 degree to 90 degree only. So in north, so range lies between 0 to 90 degree in north and 0 to 90 degree in south. So this is the world map, this is the equator, and the above equator point is northern latitude, and below the equator point is nothing but southern latitude. So this is the summary which was written down by the sir, that is latitude is nothing but angle with the center of the earth along north and south direction. Now talking about total number of latitudes, it is 90 in north. Talking about total number of latitudes, it is 0, it is 1 to 90 in north, 1 to 90 in south, and 10 degree at equator. So total 90 plus 90 plus 1 equal to total 181 latitude. Now talking about the latitudinal lines at both the poles, north and south poles, we cannot make the latitudinal line. So it's total 181 minus 2, that is 179 latitudinal line. Now talking about the maximum value of latitude, maximum value of latitude is nothing but we can move from 0 to 90 degree in both north and south direction. Now from this we can also see that latitudinal lines are parallel lines, that is they are not connecting, and also it is making the spherical shape, making the shape of circle or spherical, and the maximum spherical shape or maximum latitudinal line is present at the equator, and this size reduces as we move towards the polar region, and distance between two latitudinal line is fixed, which is 111 kilometer, 111 kilometer. Now talking about longitudes is nothing but the vertical line. This is the earth, and this is prime meridian, north south direction. This is prime meridian, this is vertical line called meridian, vertical line also called meridian, and this is the reference point taken, which is called prime meridian. So longitude is nothing but angle made with longitude is nothing but angle made with the center of the earth in the east and west, along east-west direction. This is east-west, north-south. This is prime meridian, and movement of rotation of earth is along north-south direction only. So we can see that this is longitude, this is longitudinal lines, and this is at 0 degree it is a prime meridian. So these are all the things. And talking about the range, it's 1 to 179 in east direction, 1 to 179 in west direction, and 0 degree and 180 degree is common, so total 360 longitudinal line. So from world map we can see that above point means the east direction is called eastern, and this is the prime meridian. And how prime meridian is means decided is based on it passes through the Greenwich laboratory, which is present in United Kingdom country, London city, and it is in Europe continent. That the latitude passes through that point is decided as prime meridian, and all the meridian will be and all the latitude will take reference, all the longitude will take reference from that point only. So these are all the things. Now talking about India, the eastern part of Gujarat, the western part of Gujarat lies at 68 degree east longitude, 68 degree east longitude, and 97, and this Arunachal Pradesh 97 degree east latitude longitude. So overall India lies in northeast of the world map. So talking about the summary, total longitude is nothing but angle with center of the earth in the east and west direction. Total longitude will be 360. Total longitudinal lines also will be 360. Longitude will be semicircle because the other half will lie in the other hemisphere. Now longitudes are not parallel line. It is maximum distance at equator, that is 111.3 kilometer, and minimum at poles, that is 0 kilometer. So this was all about lesson 2. I will share lesson 3 shortly.